about to try cow brains. Hopefully it's good. مساء الخير. أخوة زيادة؟ شكرا. So it's fried. Feels a bit mushy. The texture is throwing me off a little bit. What's up, guys? So I'm here in Cairo about to try cow brains, which I've never had brain before. So I'm at this restaurant that my boyfriend recommended me. I have no idea how to pronounce it. He told me beforehand it's الشرقاوي something. It basically translates to a guy's name for liver. So, but people watching that speak Arabic can let me know. It's for liver and cow brain is the name of the restaurant. So, yeah, let's check it out. See how it tastes. There's very few tables. There's only 2, so I just got it to take away, and I'm gonna go to this coffee shop and have a coffee and eat cow brain. I think it's fried cow brain. I really don't know though. So yeah, let's check it out. Hopefully it's good. أمريكا أنا مش كلام عربي شوية. ما فيش مشكلة هنا. So yeah, let's go see what is over here. أنا عايزة فهينة كمان. شكرا. Looks like we have vegetables, salad, tahina, and kebde. What? Okay. So yeah, that man at the table was like, I don't want to be on film. I'm like, no worries, man. I'm not showing you on camera. Is this for me? I don't know. Well, I guess we'll find out how it tastes. Sit at a table and hopefully nobody minds me filming. So, alright, well, let's wait for it to arrive. This is the little shop though, here in Cairo and Abdin. I think it's fried. I kind of wish I could go and like show it, but alright. Hopefully they heat it up. It's been sitting there. No idea. Baladi bread here. Yes. So let's wait for our food. Yes, I actually haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm hungry, and it is now 5 p.m. So yeah, it should taste good, eh? We'll see though. One more look at the restaurant's name. Yes, please somebody translate that for me, or I hope I got it right. All right, well, I will come back in when I have the food. All right, guys, I got the goods, and let's go find somewhere to sit. This should be fine, eh? مساء الخير. أخوة زيادة؟ شكرا. Okay, yes. I've got the food at a coffee shop, so I have a table. Yeah. Okay, so I ordered tahina on the side. I don't think he even charged me because he told me the price was 50, which is 50 before I asked for tahina. So shukran for the free tahina because I heard that I had to pay extra for it.
Maya?
Oh, Maya tamam. Shukran كتير. ازيك؟ أخوة زيادة كمان؟ شكرا. Okay, got a water going, got my salad, and let's try this moch. Yeah. Wow, is this just, I don't even know what I've ordered. I think it's just those cow brains on the side. Oh, it's like a sandwich. Oh, okay. Or no, they just serve it with bread always, of course. Duh. So, all right. Great. So it's fried. Feels a bit mushy. But let's try it, huh? Very, the texture kind of melts in your mouth. But it kind of tastes like fried chicken because of the breading. Oh. Wow. Like melts in your mouth. It's good though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get some tahina for it though, the next bite. The texture's throwing me off a little bit, but it's good. I still like kofta and shawarma more though. Yes, tahina. Yeah, not bad. Cow brains. I don't know why, but I thought they would be crunchy. And it's the complete opposite texture than I expected. But good. Yeah. And this salad is good. It's a little bit spicy. Like very little, but I like it. Yeah. So they serve tahina and baladi bread and the salad with almost everything that you order here in Egypt. It's kind of like standard. It comes with it. And then we have the moch. Oh, I wonder if I can get a good shot of it. Well, that was an attempt at a thumbnail. Hopefully it turned out. Yeah. It kind of just looks like chicken. Oh, hey. Helen. Shukran kathir. So yes, I'm at this little coffee shop and going to finish this, but I paid 50 Egyptian pounds, which is I think like $2 right now, something like that. So yeah, guys, check it out. I don't know if I should be like putting it into a sandwich or just eating it like this. Oh, good. It just tastes like chicken, but with a different texture. Very small amount, but that's actually good. So I just wanted to try it. I think I'm gonna go to Alhambra later and get a shawarma. But for first time trying cow brain, not bad. I don't know what I expected, but I didn't expect it to be deep fried, so. Oh, hello. I just came back in to say that I have finished the moch, and I gotta say, I wouldn't order it again. I like to be honest with my channel and up front. So while it wasn't, you know, terrible, of course, I liked it, but like not enough to order it again. It was the texture that got me. The flavor's fine. Fried, you know, you got tahina and the salad. However, not really my cup of tea, but don't knock it till you try it, right? So I've tried it. Texture, kind of, it's like a lot of seafood for me as well. I don't like a lot of seafood because of the texture, like octopus. So, but yeah, not bad. I'd give it a try, see if you like it. Maybe, you never know. So, anyways, all right, that's Moch, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. Check out my other street food videos. I've tried a lot of different things, unusual meats like camel and pigeon, as well as shawarma and kofta and mushy and a lot of like standard, classical, popular Egyptian dishes. So, all right, well, I will see you guys on the next one, and thanks so much for watching.